In today's video, I am going to teach you Ollama versus lmstudio, which local AI tool wins. By the end, you will know exactly which one fits your workflow, whether you live in the terminal or prefer a point-and-click desktop experience. Both tools run local models, but they're built for different styles of work. And that's where the real decision lies. Let's start with the interface and who each tool is for. Ollama uses a command line interface, which means you interact with it through typed commands. That makes it a natural fit for developers, engineers, and power users who automate tasks, script their workflows, and want tight integration with code. lmstudio is a graphical desktop app, so you launch it like any other application and navigate with a clean visual layout. That approach is ideal for writers, researchers, and beginners who want a user-friendly chat or prompt window without touching the terminal. Model discovery also feels different between the two. Ollama offers a curated registry of pre-tested models, which keeps things streamlined and reduces trial and error. lmstudio includes a built-in Hugging Face browser with advanced filters, so you can sort by parameters and find exactly what you need. If you like to browse, compare, and tune before downloading, lmstudio makes that especially easy. On setup and APIs, Ollama runs as a headless background server, so it quietly powers your apps and scripts, and is simple to embed into development pipelines. lmstudio is a native desktop app that supports local inference and exposes an OpenAI-compatible API. In practice, that means many tools expecting an OpenAI-style endpoint can talk to lmstudio with minimal changes, while you keep everything on your machine. Now, strengths and weaknesses. Ollama shines with lightweight installation, very fast inference, and automatic integration with development environments. It runs on Windows, Linux, and all Mac variations, including Intel-based Macs. The trade-off is that it doesn't include a built-in GUI. If you want a ChatGPT-like chat window, you will pair it with a third-party web UI, such as OpenWebUI. lmstudio, on the other hand, delivers a polished interface with intuitive navigation and detailed sliders for context length, temperature, and sampling. It also lets you download models directly with precise GGUF quantization filters to balance quality and performance. The downsides are higher system overhead, occasional performance regressions, and no support for Intel-based Macs. To get the best of both worlds, many advanced users run both. Use lmstudio to explore and test models through its visual interface. Then rely on Ollama as the fast background server for coding and automation. Thanks for watching.